Aiwa. Usanyepero wewe kana senta anauye.
Taura hakwe iwe. Iko kufamba nechibhachi chocho wani. Asi ndochamushonga. Imi kai?
Kuti kudariri. But ndakatombomuudzawo. Hatereri. Ndakati wangu.
Rambai muchitaura zvenyu. Handimuudzi.
Aiwa, ibva. Unomutaurira anti muri ma friends.
Saka. Zvine anything. I have no time to discuss other people in. I simply don't have time to gossip about other people. In fact, let me go and see my boss.
Yes, you said you had an urgent request. Shoot.
Boss Giga, you're so humble. Thank you for the opportunity. As you know, I've worked with the company for a long time. Sales have increased. I deliver on time. And our clients are happy.
You want a salary raise?
No. No way. Why would I ask for that?
Saka uno day.
I figured I no longer have time to gossip about other people. So I wonder if you can give me maybe 1 week so I can go and spend time, gossiping about other people.
Tsano, 2 weeks. Because you need to catch up? No problem. No problem at all.
Subscribe, Baka. Uka subscribe, tichakurangarira kana takudoneta mastand. Amenovamo.